Okay, previous classes we have discussed about home and then insert menu. Okay, now we'll see the different other menu bars. Okay, okay. Now see page layout. Page layout is nothing but this one. All entire thing page layout. Okay, in this page layout, page how the page should be something. If you want to keep this theme, you can keep somewhere. Where it has gone. I think entire page will be this theme only. Okay, you see changing themes. Okay, font size is changing, and then font style is changing. Everything is changing. Correct? Whatever theme you wish, you can change. Font name, which one you want to choose. Entire page. This will this section will apply only entire page, not for single thing. Okay? If you keep Arial, all font name font name will get changed. Okay, entire page it will apply. Efforts, whatever it should be, everything you can put margin. You see some changes here. Okay, like this. Portrait, landscape, these are printing related things. Okay, something like portrait means it will exactly like this. Landscape means vertically. This uh, this size page will come big, and then this size page will come small. Okay, this page will be, if we to rotate, just if this okay, let's do rotate picture. What do you do? Insert picture. Yeah, if you rotate this picture like this, it will print like this. Landscape means this landscape means just reverse. Okay, just 90 degrees angle. Okay, the page will print like this. Okay, if you do print normal, it will print as it is. Portrait, landscape means it will print like this. Okay, this is only printing, Amma. If you have printer, you can check this option. Okay, in your home or office, if you have printer only, you can check this while printing. Okay, control print. In the printing, it will ask, oh, some printer should come here. You need to check the page, portrait or landscape. Somewhere it should be here. Here, let me see. If you put landscape, it will be like this. Okay, portrait, should be like this. Okay, okay. While printing the page, you need to go to print. Print. This printer connection should be present. Then only it will work. Okay. There you can see orientation, portrait or landscape, page size, how much you are, A4 size, A3, how much this size should be entire page. Okay, single page, how much size the page should be. As you wish, you can change. columns 1, 2, 3, left, right, you whatever you wish. You see page is like this, two columns. Page is two columns. Okay. If you want to split single page like this, it will be in single page. You see left pane, left very small and then very big. You can keep as you wish. Okay. This is all about the columns. Okay. Okay. Page break. Page break means I want to keep a page break here. This text will go to new page. Okay. You see insert page break. Okay. Whatever the text earlier here, it is going. It went to new page. Line numbers. Line numbers are already added. Okay. Oh, line numbers. These are page numbers. Okay. Line numbers are different. We never do this one. We prefer only bullets and numbering. Okay. They're only, you see line numbers are coming. Left side you see line numbers. We usually prefer page numbers that bullets are numbering only. Okay. Line numbers we won't do. This option I too don't know. This is not required. Okay. Watermark. Watermark is very important. See whether it will come like this. Something. It will come background. Okay. Let's see watermark. Let's add watermark this page. You see, it will come like this. Okay, you can go to like this, insert. You see, some, or else you can edit watermark, custom watermark. You can text. Okay, if you go to new page, you will see are you able to see or not. This is at MS Office Learning. See, MS Office Learning. It will be very. If you see closely only, it it will. We can see this. Okay. Okay, you can put custom watermark, picture watermark. You can do picture also. Select picture, something like yeah. You see picture background everywhere. This watermark came. We want generally we won't prefer picture as a watermark. We choose only text as a watermark. Okay, someone can choose this as a watermark, but you see picture very it will But whatever the text on the top, it will, we can see proper, but watermark will be very, it will show very thin. Okay. Page color, page color something, you see all the pages will be same color, whichever color you want. This this section it will apply entire page. Okay. Okay, page color I have kept. You see now watermark is showing very clearly. Correct. Okay, I'll put something instead of picture, text watermark. You see tutorial, it is there. Okay, let's change the page color. Now you see tutorial is coming. Okay. Okay, page border, how thin you want you can put. This is called page border. Every page you will set, we can set border. If you want to do thin border, you can choose anything. Very thick, very thick border. Okay. Thin borders are very thin. You can put something like this is very thin border. Okay. Whatever choose you can choose. Indent, left indent should be 0 right now. I want to move something. This is called indent. Let's you see it is coming. It is coming. Okay. Entire thing it should apply, I think. Okay, forget about this. This will not use. Okay, let's go to reference. In the reference, this table of contents is very important thing. At the second uh, second video, we saw that headings. Okay, based on headings, that table of contents, that page will come. This one. Okay, what, how it works? Let's see how it works. Okay, now this is heading 1. Okay, this is normal heading, this is normal. If you click here, you see this is highlighted heading 1. Like that, whatever the headings are available, this is normal, this is heading, all the heading things, this is normal, this is heading. Okay, if you go to all headers will come here. Okay, reference, table of contents. Okay, all headings, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3. Okay, like this the indent will be. Okay, these are called table of contents. This is something I have to the current paragraph as an, okay, this is something adding, okay, something like update field, something like if you added any new side heading. Suppose something, this is new side heading, it is came. I want to put heading, this is normal now, heading 1. Okay, this thing, okay, this thing I want to update in the table of contents. What shall we do? Update table, update entire table. Okay, you need to select this option and then press OK. You see this line also came, underscore test. Okay, this line I have added as side heading. If you want to go to any place, you see control click. ఈ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న అమ్మతో కట్టించుకో నేను కట్టిస్తా. This is some control click, through control click we can go through whatever the hyperlink location you can go. Okay, I never used these things. Okay, let's go to next. Okay, mailings. Mm, this is mail merge. Okay, if you have multiple this okay, body is same, I want to send or create multiple documents, okay, with the different mail address. Okay, this is called mail merge is the option is there. Okay, you can put, okay, next, or else letters, email, mail merge, envelopes. Okay, okay, step by step mail merge wizard, you need to select this one. Okay, which one you want letters. Okay, next document, use the current document, or you can select the template. If you go this next, it will ask for template. Start from existing document, you can open different document, select template blank document XML. Okay, as you wish, you can choose use. Next, use an existing list, let it be file name. Type a new list. Okay. Existing list we never try. We didn't try. Okay. Type a new list. Write a letter. Okay. First name, last name, company name, address. Okay. New entry. New entry. Again new entry. Okay. Here you just need to write the title. Okay. First name, last name, company name, address line one. All these are the fields. Address line to city, state, zip code, all things. Okay. You need to write work mail address. You can choose put anything. Okay. Okay. Save. Save. Okay. Press okay. Okay. You need to save this one. Mm. Test. Okay. I just created save. Now you see. Okay. To create this page, I want to send this page for 10 these many members. Okay. I have just added three. You can add so many as you want. You can, if you don't want to uh, create this mail, this something like this. You don't want any want to send. You just to do uncheck. Okay. Okay. I just all checked the, and then next write your letters. కాల్లో నాతో కాదు కాల్లో బయట వండుతాడు. Just go to print now. Okay, instead of all these things now, let's try with the only single page. Okay, then only you can understand this. Otherwise, it is very difficult. Okay, I'll explain better. Okay, with the single page. Let's delete everything. Let's keep only single page. Okay, until unless you see output, you won't understand this. Okay, I want to. Okay, let's. Mm, okay, I want to send this text to many people. Okay, let's go to You can edit, you can choose this list, just added the this list. Okay, something is there. Okay, here title, you want to where you want to insert those locations. Okay, next thing is first name. Next thing is company name. Okay, you can you can align this one. Okay, I have the list. Okay, already. If you see previous list, you just edit. These are these are the names. Okay, I have kept all these things. Okay, and I just put some empty days, empty thing in address, city, everything. Okay, I just kept only these fields. Okay, I have entered. I have saved in this database. Okay, now I want to keep all the macro things. This address, this body will be similar. Uh, let me give one situation. As a principal, your principal wants to convey something to all your students. Okay, each student address, home address will be different. Correct? You want to send this same day, body to entire students. So body something like um, your examination date will be postponed to next month. That is the body. He wants to send he wants to send this information to using something post box or something. Okay, then what your principal will do, he will create a simple mail merge document like this, and then he will put the text here, and then he will put the address here. Okay, and then he will he has some recipient list, something like this. Okay, he can add all the student details, their address details and everything. Okay, okay, next, write your letter. Address block, this address block you can choose as it is. Okay, this one. Okay, let's how a mail merge will works. Okay, let's see. Right now I have single page. Okay, with this information. Okay, let's see how all the names inside that database will come. Preview your letters. Okay, you see this first name, this name. Okay, this is first person thing. You go to next. If you select this one, ABC4 came, ABC3. These are the other person address. This is other person address, ABC2. If you click here, abc.txt, you see body is same, but we are the address is changing here. Like this this macro works. You see, those are changing. If you click here, click, 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 click. I think, yeah, complete this merge. You just, this is just preview. Okay, you can complete this merge. You can go to edit individual letters. You see, this is the first person address. Text is same. This is second person address. Text is same. This is third person address. Text is same. This is fourth person address. Text is same. Like this. Okay, this you can print this one and then send through post. Okay, Control P, print, select the printer and then press print. Okay, press OK option. It will print. Okay, address is say different. We want to make body same. This is called mail merge. Okay, simple mail merge. You can put anything. You better you practice with this with this video once. You will get definitely get. This is of course we never choose this one. Right now people are using emails. Okay, these mails once upon some 5 years, 10 years ago, people are using this mail merge to send different letters. Right now post office are empty because we are getting emails because of emails. This mail merge, I don't know how many people are using this nowadays. Okay, this is only the interesting thing here. I don't think so. This envelope and all things. Forget about this. Anyhow, this is only we are not using these things. We will not use. Select recipients. Use existing list. Somewhere I have saved that now. Oh, test. This is the test I have just saved. Just open. These are all related to mail merge only. Okay. You will get some recipient list. I already use existing list. Why didn't it open? Should open. It should open. Or if you go to previous, edit individual letter. Okay, no, not this. Go to previous. You can select edit recipient list. Here you can, if you don't want to send this letter to him, just OK. Press OK. Write preview. Complete your merge. Edit individual letters. That person will get skip here. That the C2 ABC2 dot ABC2 did not come here. Okay. Let's go to review. Here you see this. Okay. Suppose if you will this galleries, instead of galleries, I kept like this. I want to comment this section. Huh? Uh, your teacher, you did some English paragraph. Okay, you have written English teacher will analyze this paragraph, and then they want to keep some comment in this paragraph. Okay, just comment. Okay, okay. They will add like this. Some spelling mistakes are there. Okay, this is some kind of comment. This is the entire page I have kept comment. Okay, delete comment. I need to kept. I want to kept only with this word. Just select this word. New comment. Okay, spelling mistake. Whatever you write anything. Okay, whatever the comment they want to give, they can give. Okay, you can delete this comment using delete. Okay, click on delete. Okay, with this we'll give some. Wait. Let's stop this course. We'll connect to the next course. Okay.